we going?
Juneau.
Juneau. What are we going to do when we're there?
We are going to do dog sledding.
Dog sledding. Should be fun, right?
Yeah.
You want to pet some dogs?
Yeah. What time do we get there? What time is it?
9:30. Where are we going?
Juneau.
Juneau. And
Your attention,
where are we
please.
going now?
Your attention, please. For
Where are we going?
exercise, for exercise, for exercise.
It's all protein. People walk by. Brian's even mentioned it. Guys, come up here and check in here. They want you to go on their shop, which will leave you broke. Back down. So, okay, you're right there. Okay, perfect.
You want your hood on?
Yeah.
Is there any chance that you would ride on my back?
They're so ready. Yep. Are you excited? Yeah. Oh my god. Look at them. Stupid old miss. I'm on a return on back run. Ready? Go. Let's go. Good dogs. Much quieter now. This first part's going to be a little bumpy. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. I'm going to be your musher today. This is a team of 16 Alaskan Huskies. Alaskan Huskies have about 40 different breeds within them, which is why they all look so different from one another. But they've been genetically adapted to be stronger, smarter, faster race dogs. Good dogs! Good dogs, go ahead. ahead. Good dogs, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh. Thank you. Got it? Sorry, I'm sitting right there. G! G! Good dogs. It's just fun. Little bumpy again. So these dogs are all from the same kennel from Ontario, Canada. These are known as sprint dogs, so they're going to be on the smaller side because they're used to racing 30 to 150 miles, which is short in sledding terms. Oh. Good dogs. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good dogs, go ahead. Go ahead. Good dogs, go ahead. Go ahead. We are going to stop here for just a second to let the dogs cool down. It is very warm out for them today. Their ideal running temperature is about -10 degrees Fahrenheit. So with it already being 50 degrees and humid, and with them pulling this much weight on the cart, they get very hot very fast. Good dogs, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Let's go, let's go. Good dogs, go ahead. Good. Come on, did you hurt? Good dogs, go ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Good dogs. Good dogs, go ahead. Go ahead. Little Alaskan style parallel park. So these are my leaders. We have Chase and Oats. You're welcome to say hi.
Hello. Hey, Star, what you doing?
Yeah, we have to do that.
How are you? What's up? You good? Hello. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, yes.
We do have baby waves at the end too. This is CN and Twins. Twins does have a salivary gland issue, so it's just a little sac of saliva. We've tried to drain it, but it comes right back. But it doesn't bother her at all, so we just leave it alone now.
You want that? I like this one. No, this one.
Can you say hi?
I want to say something.
What's up?
It's okay. He's a good boy. He's a way to run, dude.
And then
You
this
did
is
good.
JD
He's a good
and
boy.
Bud.
You did good.
Fun fact about Bud, I actually work with his 3 brothers the rest of the year. So it was a surprise when he was here when I got here. That's fine. He's my old man. He's 11.
Okay.
So this team does vary a lot. I have one as young as 2.
What's up?
And
What's
he's an old
up?
man.
What's she doing? What's she doing? Oh, yes, she's a good spot. Oh, yes. Hello. Hello, what's your buddy? What's up, what you doing?
So JD and Bud. And then we have Jalou and Tana. She's the only dog from this kennel with blue eyes.
Okay. Hey, your buddy. What you doing? You over there yapping. Oh, yeah. What's up, buddy? Oh, yeah. I'm getting all in there. I don't care. Hey, what you doing? Listen. Oh, yes. Oh, your eyes are beautiful. Oh, yes. He's a good girl. Oh, yes.
And then we have Fremont and Charlie. If Fremont gets a little sassy at all, it's not at you, it's at him. He gets a little flirty with her and she doesn't like it.
I saw them snipping at each other.
Yep. That's her telling him she doesn't want a man. So they're paired together on purpose because of that.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Hey, your buddy. What you doing, huh? What's up?
She gets a little frosty with him because she doesn't.
Yes. She is my sweetheart though. She goes down for belly rubs all the time.
I bet you. I'm gonna pet them all. Hello.
And then that's Pride and this is Slim.
Hey, Brad. Use your barker, buddy. You're so cute. What's up? How are you? You good? You good?
And then we have Jack and Balto. Balto has a deep voice, but he does love attention. So if he barks, he's not upset. He's
He
just a
does
big
look.
boy.
He does like attention.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? What's up? There you go. Hello.
Dad, you probably shouldn't do like that because only my fingers.
I do.
it's
It's all good.
okay.
We're gonna wash our hands.
And then in the back, these are my wheel dogs, so these are going to be my strong boys. We have Chester and Yarrow. Chester's also my baby. He's only 2.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, bud, what's up? Oh, you just a little puppy.
No, he is. He's a sweet boy. Oh, you're just a little
Hey,
puppy.
Zero? I saw you running, dude. You pulling that thing.
Pulling hard.
He's a good boy. Do you need help? He's right here.
Dude, this is beautiful. She's behind.
They found that the dog had lived nearly 10,000 years ago, However, the first written account of dog sledding took place in the 10th century along the Silk Road.
You got it. 2 hands, bud.
You like it? Hey, we got the prettiest puppy.
No, Mimi got the good one.
Oh, yes. Sweet puppy.
Hold it good, David.
Huh? Oh, I got him.
Oh, be careful.
She's so cute.
David gets
Easton. You like it? You want a puppy?
Can you give me one? I don't want to wash my hands.
You want to just hold it forever?
Yes.
You gonna stay up here and work all summer long?
Yeah. He's wearing some.
Juneau?
Maybe.
Some guy. Yeah.
They're supposed to do the trams, but it's down today, so we can't do that. Good.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, I'll be careful.
We should just hop on that.
Wow. That's like a 2.
Yeah. recognize it.
Don't fall. You gotta strength me.
Had to walk back to the ship. We didn't know where the free tram was, so we just walked. Pretty funny. Why? At least we get a pretty view. What do you think, Easton?
I feel like it's gonna be worth it.
Feel like it's gonna be what?
Worth it. I've been eating lunch, so I'm just ready to go cabanas.
Cabanas, I hear you. Albertville fire hydrant. All the way from Albertville. Oh.
It was great.
It was raining outside, right?
It was, but it wasn't too bad.
And that's okay. Got the shrimp. Easton got the steak. And then 2 salads. We got the lobster tail. Rick got a steak. And another lobster tail. We got 2 desserts. Lava cake, strawberry bread pudding. Easton got ice cream. Gigi got a sundae. And 2 lava cakes. Little armadillo.